Hey guys, if you guys currently using the Apple Magsafe charger to charge up your iPhone device, then in this video we're going to take a look to see if this Scolor clear case be able to work with the Apple Magsafe charger. So I'm going to put on one of the two cases. So we got here the iPhone 13 Pro Moonlight version and a tier version, which is this one right here. So if I put this case on to the iPhone 13 Pro, okay, I'm just gonna put it on. And then what we want to know is if I place it against this MagSafe charger, will it work? So here is my battery widget. So if I place it on, so you can see it's charging at the moment. Does it actually stick to the MagSafe charger? So you can see here, if I put the MagSafe onto this, on the center of the phone, you can see it's actually hold onto the charger and it starts to charging immediately. So I suppose it does work with your MagSafe charger. So if I just plug it in, it will start charging straight away. And so you can see there is a small magnet pull, so it kind of like pull to the center of the device. So it kind of like right in the center of the teardrop as well. So yes, it does seems to work. The clear case, Scolor clear case, does seem to work with the Apple MagSafe charger. And for the other case, the Moonlight version, I suppose it is the same, so it would work as well. So I'm just gonna place it on. I'm gonna find out if it works or not. So this two case looks exactly the same, just different design. So yeah, even with this case here, it works perfectly fine with the MagSafe charger. So if you guys thinking of getting a clear case, you probably want to look for this one, Scolor or Scolor clear case, and it looks nice, comfortable to hold, and it works with the Apple MagSafe charger. I actually like this design better. The teardrop looks really nice. Can you see it look like there's a teardrop or a water drop at the center right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.